Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be changing my oil in my Ford Maverick. This is the third oil change. And also, I'm not sure if you've seen the last video, but in the last video of my oil change, I went ahead and installed the Fumoto oil drain valve. So I'm going to go ahead and see how that works now as we get the oil drain. And just for some information, I think my last oil change, it was around 17,000 miles. I'm at 25K right now. I know I'm like a long way overdue, but you know, life happens and I just haven't had a chance to, you know, change the oil. But hey, we're doing it now. And I still, you know, according to the app, I have like 20% left. So I think we're, you know, doing pretty good. So let's go ahead and look at the oil that I got. The last oil change, I used the Ford's oil. It's the synthetic blend. I'm going with a full synthetic this time from Mobil 1. And here it is right here. It's Mobil 1 full synthetic. It has the Ford approved specs and stuff all on here. So I was gonna go ahead and get the Castrol, but they didn't have a small bottle of 1 quart. So I just went ahead and then picked up some of this stuff. So yeah, I'm excited to put some full synthetic in now. But yeah, enough rambling. Let's go ahead and get this thing going. All right, guys. So I got my plastic tube right here with the insert. I'm gonna go ahead and just pop this on and then start draining the oil. Make sure the tube is going into the pan. And there we go, the oil's draining straight into the pan. It's freaking awesome. I mean, like, there's no mess. I don't have to worry about burning myself with the hot oil. This is pretty nice. I think it's a good purchase. There it is, draining into the pan. No mess. Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and let this puppy drain, and I'll be back with y'all as soon as this is done. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and close it up. Just going to pop this nipple out. I'm just going to open it up to see if there's anything else coming out. I'm going to go ahead and let that drain a little bit more. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and get this oil filter off, and then I'll meet you guys back up there when I'm filling up with full synthetic. I put the oil filter back on, filled the oil filter halfway with oil. Now let's go ahead and empty this whole thing in and bring her down so we can start adding more oil as needed. So let's go ahead and pour it in. Make sure to get every last drop. Stuff wasn't cheap. Alright, let's go ahead and take the truck down off the lift and let's see what we got. Alright guys, well, I'm going to go ahead and cut this video short. I went ahead and changed the oil. Everything is looking good. The valve worked fine. I'm pretty happy with it, like I said. If you guys want to go ahead and grab the Fumoto valve for your own, I'll go ahead and leave a link down below so you can go ahead and get yours off of Amazon or from the Fumoto website. But yeah guys, it worked flawlessly. I'm happy with it, and I can't wait for the next oil change. Alright guys, until then, hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see y'all again on the next one.